Okay, so I've just moved into my new house and I thought I'd show you my DIY mining rig. So start off, I've got this wooden frame that I bought from B&Q for £13. What I've done is I've attached this piece of wood at the back and then cable tied the graphics cards on, and they are on there pretty solidly. So if we move down, that's the graphics card level. We move down to the motherboard. We've got the ASRock H81 Pro Bitcoin, and it can support up to 6 graphics cards. Plus we've got extra power that helps support them. And then they're just on PCI risers that come up to the actual graphics cards. So the processor I'm using is a Pentium Anniversary Edition that I got off eBay, and it's a 1150, I think, Haswell processor. And then the power supply we've got, I wanted to get the most efficient power supply, so we've got the Corsair HX1000, and just stole some RAM out of another computer. That's some Corsair Platinum RAM, but I wouldn't recommend using that if you've got something else. So the graphics cards we've chosen is, we've got an RX 580, it's the 8GB version, and we've got 2 of those. They take a single 8-pin PCI power cable. And then we've got a RX 480. This is one I actually already had from an old gaming computer. So that again takes an 8-pin power connector. Again, these are all on PCI risers that then connect to the motherboard via USB. The cards themselves are Power Color Red Dragon RX 580s. And down here, that's just some old equipment that I've got lying around. So these are currently performing at around 25 to 30 per card, and that's with the BIOS modded and the latest AMD drivers in 2018. Thank you for having a look at this quick demo of my mining rig.